Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of PatPat's weekly on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of PatPat and you will enter to this window here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.